Now, phi equals u plus at. Find the value of phi when u equals 5, a equals 4 and t equals 6. Phi therefore is equal to 5 plus 4 multiplied by 6. Phi equals 29. Are you happy with that? You replace the letters with the numbers you're given and then you figure out which one's which. Is that alright? Now, yes?
Will we ever have to do like...
rearrange it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, your second one. Okay. Find u. So, bring the at over the other side and you get phi minus at equals u. U therefore is phi minus at. Would you be happy with that? And then u therefore is 25 minus 3 times 5, which equals 10 when you use your calculator. Okay? Third one. Get a on its own. Well, what we can say is that at, if we bring the u over to your side, phi minus u equals at. Spin it around. Therefore, a on its own is phi minus u all over t. Therefore, the answer is going to be 15 minus 5 all over 3, which is 10 over 3. Is that right? Everybody happy enough with that? It's what you done the last exercise, except you put in numbers.
Like that's what u is.
Which one?
That one.
A. Okay. 6. Write down a formula P for perimeter. Can anyone tell me what perimeter is? P? What is a perimeter? If I told you to run a lap in first year, which some of you obviously did, what happens when I tell you to run a lap? You go from here to here, up to here, around, and you don't cut corners, and you end up back where you start. So, you cover, if you start here, you cover a distance B, then you cover a distance L, then you cover another distance B, then you cover another distance L. You cover 2B plus 2L. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
P equals 2B plus 2L. You happy with that? Now, I ask you to run this one. Okay? You start here. P equals, you go a distance Y. Then you go a distance 8. You're now here. Then you cover another distance Y because it's the same length as this one here. Then you cover another distance of 5. Then you cover a distance of X. Then you cover another distance of 5. And then this one here is interesting.
Is that X?
It's going to be, if this is 8 and this part is X, it's going to be 8 minus X. Do you understand? Whatever X is, take away from 8 is what's left.
Should I just call it 8?
No, it has to be 8 minus X, because 8 is from here to here,
No.
X is from here to here, and that is 8 minus X.
Just don't put in the X.
You have to put in the X. Otherwise, you're saying it's the same length as this one here, which it's not. So, P equals Y plus 8 plus Y plus 5 plus X plus 5 plus 8 minus X. The X is cancelled, yeah? Y plus Y? 2Y. 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus another 8? 26. Your perimeter is 2 times Y plus 26. Okay. This one, number 10. The members of a school social committee calculate the profit in euro made on the school discos given by 5t minus 900, where t represents the total number of tickets sold. Find a profit when 195 tickets are sold. Okay? So what does that mean? How would you do that?
Yeah.
P equals 5 multiplied by 195 minus 900. And what do we get when we put that into the calculator? I'm going for 75.
Mine's 75.
Plus 75. So. Still the opposite way around. Okay. Now, how many tickets did we sell if the profit was 870? If you're trying to find out the t value, yeah? Everybody wanting to find out the t value. So what you do? You say you bring 900 over to your side, and you say that p plus 900 equals 5t. Is everybody happy with that? 5t therefore equals p plus 900. Then you get rid of the 5, you divide by 5, and what is the p value? What is our profit? Profit is 870. 870 plus 900 divided by 5. Who knows the answer to that one? 850 plus 900 divided by 5.
454.
Sorry?
354.
354. You need to sell 354 tickets. Finally, the last question. If you were to make no profit whatsoever, what would your profit be? 0, nada, nothing. Replace P with 0. 5t minus 900 equals 0. 5t equals 900. T therefore equals 900 divided by 5. T equals 180. You sell 180 tickets, you get no profit. You break even. Is that right?
Yeah.
Now, last one for me. A taxi driver charges €4 when he picks you up. Every kilometre you travel, he adds €150 per kilometre, added to €2 per passenger. Write down a formula that relates the fares of kilometres travelled and number of passengers. Fare is F. €4 plus 1.5 multiplied by your number of kilometres. 1.5k. Added to €2 per passenger plus 2p. 2 times the amount of passengers you have. Done. Find the fare for 4 passengers if the journey was 18 kilometres in length. F equals 4 plus 1.5 multiplied by 18 plus 2 times 4. It's going to be 27 plus 4 is 31. 31 plus 8 is 39. Put that into the calculator, you get 39. Okay? Now, final question. If 3 passengers paid a total of €28, how long was the journey? If we're talking about how long was the journey, which letter do you want to find? K. Circle K. Alright? Once you circle K, here's what you do. You circle K, and what happens is you're going to so fare is €28. Okay, you bring over the 4, don't you? Sorry guys, we'll do it normally. Fare minus 4 minus 2p equals 1.58k. Would you agree with that? And we have to get k on its own. How do you get k on its own? Divide by 1.5. So it's fare minus 4 minus 2p all over 1.5 equals k. Are you happy with that? Yeah. Now, put off the phones, guys. So, what you have next, guys, is so once we set up this formula here, it's just a matter of filling in the numbers. How do you fill in the numbers? What's F? F is 28 minus 4 minus 2 times 3 passengers all over 1.5 equals k. Somebody in the class tell me it's 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 is 8.
There.
18. 18 divided by 1 1/2. 12. You travel 12 kilometers.